Hey everybody, it's me, Evan, with Craft with Evan. Today we're gonna not be really crafting, we're gonna be reviewing. I made this from Dollar Tree and it is really cute, right? Today you're gonna be helping me do one today. I'm gonna be doing a super cute witch. Let's get started. It does have these instructions on the back just in case you need a little guidance, which I will use because I will probably need it. So you're just gonna pick the spot you want. And the best thing about these googly eyes is I'm pretty sure there's no gluing involved. And happy Halloween, everybody. I've been batty for this craft. Tell me what you want to be for Halloween. And maybe I could take some suggestions. I never know. But I'll tell you what I'll be. I'll just give you a hint. The Addams Family. Okay, I just gave it away. The eyes are not coming off. Oh, I want to know something. How many people can do this? Tell me. So, mine just looked like it's all ghost, but that's okay. My favorite part. Now I'm going to attach the nose. And we all know we got to do a little something in life, and I really hope this doesn't hurt. It's probably yelling at me for not giving its nose. How's it look? Love that. Now, one of the most important things, the smile. No gluing whatsoever. Oh, I forgot about my friends. And it might take a little redo, but that's okay. We always need to remember that. This is our little... You're gonna just take these, and these are little stickies, and they're like double-sided tape. And that's always what we need in life, some double-sided tape. Comment down below if you've ever done one of these, and if you do, make sure to share them with me and tell me which one you got. I did the mummy off camera, and I did, as you can tell, I'm doing Miss Witch over here. I think I might name her Hermione. Have you ever seen Harry Potter? Make sure to tell me. There's our witch. Thank you so much for watching Craft with Evan, and make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Yeah, give it a thumbs up. Bye.